This is the 91 DA Integra. We picked up Facebook Marketplace. She's in the garage running. We just got it in. The windshield will be getting installed tomorrow. Definitely grown on me, body style wise. Never owned one of these. Both of these Integras are my brother's. My favorite part about this car is cluster. It's so bright. 124,000 miles. No check engine lights or anything like that at all on the car, which is pretty amazing, I think. Interior is clean for the most part. We got Robert out there ripping his car. B18A1, I believe, 5-speed transmission. Windshield will be installed tomorrow. We're just gonna rock the hood the way it is for now. It latches fine. It's banged up, but not really a big priority. The car will still drive fine down the road the way it is with the windshield. Ricardo, give it a little gas, not too much. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the videos. We're into Hondas, SRT4 Neons, SRT4 Calibers. We got a Jeep Cherokee, so we're always doing stuff, keeping up on the cars, normal maintenance. I like buying cars and flipping them, so there's a lot of how-to DIY videos that I like to make for you guys, so keep on watching and I'll put that content out for you guys.